What up, condos? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We have something really exciting. Yes, Nick's here too. He's driving.
Hello.
Georgie is here too. Nick, watch the road. Georgie! I'm trying to block the sun. He's just happily sleeping there. Look at his little feet. So today, as I was saying, we have something really exciting. Georgie's having his first photo shoot, so we're doing a newborn photo shoot. I had to prepare him. We've given him a nice bath, made sure that everything's nice and clean, got him in an easy like zip onesie, so hopefully he's really good and he doesn't stir too much. Hopefully he sleeps halfway, like through the majority of it, because if he's sleeping through it then he won't even notice.
Highly unlikely.
He might.
It's Georgie. It's crazy.
I hope he does, and I hope he doesn't need any more food till the end, but we'll see. So we have to drive all the way to Hope Island, which is like 40 minutes away from where we live, so it's like basically at the Gold Coast. It's a big drive too for Georgie. So we'll see how we go.
Alright guys, Zaph and I have arrived on set. I'll show you everything in a second, but we are with, let me show you this sign that Tanner's done. Hang on one sec. How cute is this? Welcome baby Georgie, Winnie and Minnie Photography. This is Tanner here. She's got Georgie right now. How you doing?
You've like calmed
him down. Oh my god, you're a natural, you're a natural.
Oh,
you really
so
are a
cute.
baby photographer, aren't you?
Oh yes. Oh definitely.
Georgie, this is your new friend.
We're besties.
Check some of this stuff out though. Wow. Look at the setup though. Look at these props. So we're putting him in everything right now? What's going on?
We're putting him in everything.
Oh my god,
so
look at this
cute.
little basket.
I was like, I didn't know if I had to bring outfits and stuff.
How cool.
I've got it all.
Stuff dressed up for the occasion, all white.
Yes.
Stunning, stunning. And I decided to dress up in all white as well because why not?
Good idea.
Come on little chubba.
Oh, buddy.
Buddy, we need to get you undressed for this. Can you just be good for 2 seconds? Come on, Georgie.
I was so scared. I'm like,
So you're getting wrapped up, boy. You're getting wrapped up. You're getting wrapped up.
oh, this wrap is so cute.
Oh.
So cute.
Yes.
I love his angry face. Looks like an onion.
He's cute, eh? You like that, Georgie?
Wrapping is just the best thing ever.
I love it. Hey.
It's just very wormy for them, the tightness thing, because they have that reflex with their arms that just kind of goes little springs that just startles them and wakes them up.
We're such rookies, honestly, though.
I know.
Are we rookies or what? We wrap, but we got like a little we got like a sleeping bag as well.
Yeah.
And we chuck him in that.
Swaddling's probably better.
But he always punches out of our swaddles. It's all swaddled up. Oh my god. Now that's a swaddle, man. You already look like a model. Look at his hands, look at his little hands. That's so cute. Alright, so what are we doing first?
You guys are going to lie down here.
Yep.
We're going to do a family photo.
Oh, okay.
So what I'll get you to do, Nick, if you want to go on this side, facing in that way.
Okay.
Get as close as you can. Yes.
So should we get like here?
My arm around her?
Yeah, I want you fully lying down though, so hands right down on these cushions.
So on the cushion.
Like put her, get like real like you're in a picnic scene.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, I'm loving this.
And your hands in the perfect spot here to hold his little head up. So hold him to there. Yeah, that's amazing.
Guys, what do you think?
How cute does he look?
Is this a good shot? Yeah. It's a good shot.
It's really good.
Georgie. He's probably in his element right now, being cuddled while he's all like swaddled up.
How does this feel, Georgie? Mommy and Daddy are here. That's real cute. Next shot.
Am I on the little stool?
So you sit on me, and I get to hug you.
Look at him, look at his little nappy.
Georgie.
A little burrito over there.
Some heavy duty equipment, Tana.
Oh, it's the best equipment.
Is it?
Like older babies sitting there.
Yeah.
Oh, you don't want to kiss me on the lips because you don't want to ruin your makeup, huh?
Yeah, I don't want to ruin my gloss. Sorry.
Well, your makeup's more important.
Mm-hmm. Look at him, he's just so...
Here he comes. The star of the show.
Look at him.
Fast asleep.
My mum just sent me this of me. I would have been 3 months there.
My God.
At my grandma's house. Because my grandma thinks Georgie really looks like me, but I'm a lot older here. Just hatched out of an egg.
Okay.
Well, we're not going to do any eggs today, but this hand here will hold his bottom.
Okay.
And this one's going to hold his head.
Okay.
Jim, he's squished.
He's a little squish. Squishy. Mwah. Oh, we got some gloss on you. Whoopsies.
It's awesome. Yeah, so Dad's honour is important.
I gave birth to him, Nick. He came out of me.
I've quite been kicked off the shoot. Oh wow, you actually look really good, Zav.
Oh, like you're surprised.
I'm not surprised. I just like from back here. I've just been looking at you dead straight in the eyes. You know what I mean? Ah, look at him. That's amazing. How good is that? That's so nice. Oh my God, I get my own shot. I'm actually really excited for this. Get me.
Hang on.
Getting overexcited, Nick.
Sorry. He's my baby.
Nick's so possessive of him. Nick's ready for his shot.
Ready for my
Come to daddy. Georgie, come on.
Oh, not Georgie.
Stay sleeping. We love it when you sleep.
Your other hand, can you just extra support around him so he feels comfortable and safe? If he feels unsafe, he'll spaz out. I know, sorry.
It's because he feels now like he's got nothing on.
Unwrap.
Oh, look at his rolls. He's starting to get really chubs. I love it.
He's a big chubby.
Oh my God, look at his little hand. That is the cutest thing ever. Oh, Georgie. Oh my God, that is the cutest photo ever.
Smile big. Turn your face a little bit towards me if you can. Yeah.
This is a really cute photo. Oh my God, his lips there.
Right, Georgie. This is a solo one for you, buddy. Be good, be good. So he has to go like into a deep sleep.
Yeah, so he'll just pinch his own little cheeks when he's doing this with his hands.
Yep.
Once he has very floppy hands, he won't pinch his cheeks so much.
Oh my God, his hands. Oh no!
He's like unsure, but like...
Come on, Georgie. You're almost there.
Be a good little model.
His little hands. That's so funny. It's like... It's always like he knows what he's doing, but not.
No, he hates it.
It's alright, it's alright. Yeah, Georgie. He's just hanging out, right? What are you doing? Just hanging out?
He's got little arms like Dad.
Oh, shut.
He does have little arms, eh?
He does.
I think his legs are quite long.
He does.
I think he's got great arms.
He's got amazing arms.
He's got fantastic arms, don't you, Georgie?
They're just like Dad's.
T-Rex arms.
Oh, T-Rex arms.
You
man.
do.
It's okay, Georgie.
He's pooing.
Is he?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. And the nappy's half off. That's so bad.
It's so close to being fed.
Oh. It's fine. Good boy. Good boy. And good girl. Next pose. Look at his back rolls.
Yeah, they're starting to like come on.
Come on, Georgie. Oh, yes.
Oh, the lips look
And
good
the lips
there.
are ready to... The lips are ready to rumble. Yes.
Oh my God.
Alright, Georgie decided to wake up.
He's been good.
Hi, Georgie. We've just been taking photos, man, so...
Yeah.
What's going on? What's going on, Georgie?
Staring. Can you look up this way? Being a little model today, aren't you?
Georgie. Oh goodness.
Oh, bless you.
You made a little friend.
Best friend.
A girlfriend. Oh, Georgie, he's a player.
That is the cutest thing I've ever seen.
Oh my god, buddy. Look at you, little burrito. He's like a little package.
Yeah, no.
That's ridiculous.
Imagine if babies came like that. You just
Here you
ordered
go.
them. Yeah, they got delivered to you.
You
looking
ordered
like that.
one baby boy. This is how it comes.
Yeah.
Georgie! Georgie! Wow. Don't you look good like this?
He looks like he's like a bit of a drama queen, like he needs his dummy before his next shot. You know what I mean?
He cracks me up, hey. He's actually really funny. Oh. Oh my god. We need you to sleep, buddy. Go to sleep, Georgie.
He hasn't got his eyes like
sleep. Damn it, Georgie, you won't sleep. You want to sleep or you want to be awake? Georgie, this one's funny. Look at you here. There's some really good props you've got.
Are all like baby studios like this, or?
No, this is just, I'm just amazing.
You are amazing. You are amazing.
This is really cool.
Oh, we love this photo.
Babe.
Get him, get him, get him.
Here's babe, bring it down.
He actually makes me laugh, hey. Look at that face. Oh, good shot. Really cool. This is like a shushing machine.
Yeah, let's turn that off.
I need
It's
one of
probably
those
annoying in the
for
video. It's the baby shusher.
I need one of those for SAPPH.
Are you serious?
So we're getting close-ups of their features here, are we?
Yes, Georgie's features.
Georgie
It's
features.
their features, like it's another baby.
I don't know, man. It's my first kid. I don't know what to say.
Eyelashes.
Oh my god.
Now I'll get his little ears and his lips and
That is so cool that you do that.
get his cute little hairdo here.
Last one, Georgie. You got a little bucket to get into. Oh, you've been such a good boy. Oh my god, Georgie, look at you. You're just a natural. I'm just chilling out like that. Oh. I love this setup. Georgie, stop it. Oh. Wow. Wow, Georgie! Oh, little buddy. Alright guys, we have just completed our shoot. Zaf's over here feeding Georgie because he was screaming. Right now we're going to go through our photos. This is the best thing about this. We get to go through our photos straight after the shoot. Tanner's back there. Wave. We get to choose exactly what we want on this projector screen.
How cool is that?
So we're going to go through everything now. Oh my god, look at those. They're so cool.
Oh, I love those clothes on.
So we get to... Oh my god. I look like I'm in a boy band with my hair like that. Look at that one. That's ridiculous. We get to choose everything now. And whatever we want, we can put in these books. So I'm just going to show you guys quickly. The little one that is like a really cool gift idea
really cool.
to the grandparents or siblings or whatever you want to do. But it's really good. It's nice hardcover, really good quality. And then the big one.
Open up the big one.
For
so
us.
It looks like a box book. I love that.
How good is
I've never
this?
seen anything like that.
It is a box book.
Yeah, it's a box with a book in it.
So the book. Okay, I didn't even realize that.
So the box stands up, like these ones up on
Wow.
like boxes.
And look,
Check
there's a
that
photo
out.
of the backpack. You can put it in his nursery.
Oh my god, it is double-sided.
And there's a photo on the inside.
So you get this custom-made box, which carries your album, which is
Yeah, that's actually really cute.
freaking amazing. And then check this
It's
out.
a really cute baby.
Yeah, the red shirt.
Wow. And
How cool
everything
is
that you
that?
choose from here on the day,
You can get in your book.
you can get in your book.
I love the detail shots.
Oh yeah, the detail shot's cool. So you get these detail shots so everyone knows, not everyone, just your family.
No, just so you can remember
So you
what
can-
their little fingers are like, what their ears
Yeah.
are looking like when they were new.
Really cool.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at this photo of Georgie.
Smiling, kind of. Not really.
I love that one. Oh, look at you can see his dimple in the other one. Oh, he looks like he's punching. I actually love that one.
So we're just going through these.
I like that one.
Wow. How good.
Oh.
Yes.
I
Oh
like
my
that.
god.
Oh.
Oh, Georgie, look at your lips. Oh my
He
god.
looks like a little frog there.
So cute.
Oh, his cheeks. I
Oh.
love these ones of him awake. Yeah, they're like the cutest things ever.
Man, these are so good.
Oh, look at his eyelashes, nails.
Mm.
I love that one. It's like,
Sophie, do you love them?
I love them. Oh my god, I cannot wait.
Okay, we are done. Tana, what did you think of Georgie?
Oh,
Your
he's
new-
the cutest
your new
baby
boyfriend.
ever.
I know.
He's my little boyfriend.
Thank you so much. Zaf, everyone is just there feeding still. Sorry,
Hey.
she can't be in this right now. Thank you so much. You
My
were
pleasure.
incredible. The setup here is amazing.
Such a
your
good
props,
setup,
I just
amazing.
can't get over your props. Like, you really know what you're doing.
And the big screen. that
And the
you can,
big
like,
screen
flip
at the
back
end,
and
like
forth.
everything was just, yeah. We couldn't have asked for a better photographer for Georgie, for Georgie's first photo shoot.
Yes.
Incredible.
Thanks for coming, guys.
Guys, I'm gonna put all of Tana's links down below. Her socials, her website, everything. Go check her out. Hit her up. It's like no experience you'll ever have. It's literally amazing. So thank you so much again. You're the best.
No worries. Thanks, guys.
Bye. As we're back home, we're kind of exhausted.
Yeah, before there we go, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that bell button and subscribe to our channel, and then in the comments below comment done, and for extra points you can hashtag the condos on our Instagram.
And I've noticed a few. of
yeah,
you
a lot of
have.
you guys have been.
So we're gonna
So
shout
we'll do the
these
shout outs
out.
from the Instagram today.
Yeah, let's do it. So this one goes to Alyssa Steve.
Woohoo! Hey girlfriend.
Alyssa,
There it is.
what's up?
Well, we've got to go because I've got to change Georgie's nappy and burp him now. So catch you later, condos.
Gotcha.